You want to go down? No, I'll go down first since you went the other way up. You went first. My back's hurting. I ain't leaning over anymore. I'm gonna lay on the ground here. We got this big descent here. Which way? You want to go that way?
You gotta go like here.
Is it bad for us? Like we're gonna fall more? Let's hit it here.
My head's so cold. Look, I can't move.
I told you. All right, here we go. Oh my God, I think I went on the wrong spot. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to film and I'm like taking the wrong line. Whoa, there goes the Gen 8. It's hard to drive and film. Let me put it back. This thing's heavy.
Want to go where I'm going?
Yeah, you go so I know where to go.
Oh, you wait there.
I'll back up. Oops, sorry guys, I don't got you in frame. I think this is front heavy, this Gen 8. Wait a minute, wait for me. Oh, you're getting out of the way because I'm gonna smack into you from flipping. Dang, my body came out. Pit stop. Alright, I'm gonna get down over here and try this angle. What are you doing? Oh, you're going up the side. He's crazy, and I gotta follow him too. Oh my, didn't. That side is nice. We should try to go up it. Hell with it. Go for it, brother.
Oh, you want to go back?
Go off. Go up this side. It's too nice to not get a run in before we leave. Use the dig. I bet you that would have worked. You would have turned real sharp.
How are you gonna get up there?
You're going up there and around.
Well, up here?
Yeah, go right up there. You ain't getting up there. It's wet.
Yeah.
All right, try it.
It's kind of steep.
Kind of slippery. Go around it. You're not getting up there. It's too wet.
That's new to me.
What the hell? You didn't buy the SCX6?
It's new to leave.
Go over here.
I'm coded.
You want to follow the Gen 8?
Oh, something my wheel.
Yeah, see we did? All right, here we go, guys. This is a cool... Let me get in position, brother. I need good film. Oh, Gen 8 slipping like a beauty. Cheap. Cheap tiny tires. This is a steep incline right here. Oh God, I think you got it. Wiggling front tires, holy smokes. I don't know about the Jenny. The Jenny. Oh, forget the Jenny. Oh, Jenny, come on, Jenny. The Jenny 8. Yeah. Here, now we'll come down around this way, go around. Move that Jeep. Move that damn Jeep. Oh. Ah, hit me over, damn boat.
Ooh. Oh, you fell with the shit.
Ah, liar. Come on, he can't even flip me over. All right, you gonna follow me?
Yeah.
Damn, I feel a cold air coming in. All right. Ugh.
I'm Let me see. It can spill down.
This is gonna be gnarly, guys.
Look, there's moss all.
Here we go.
Isn't
Damn,
that cool, boss?
I'm blinded by your light. God, twist it another way. Jenny coming down. Oh! Damn, she went right through. Wait for me. Let me fix my mirror. I want to look good. Come on, brother. Oh man, I think I got mine in position for the wrong way. I'm gonna fall down. Oh, got it? All right, now this, I'm like sitting on these rocks all muddy. I don't know, I think I went the wrong way, but I'm gonna try it, guys. I'm gonna see if the Gen 8 can come down there. Oh! I gave it too much gas. Ah! Oh, she did it. Beauty. Come on. Oh, you should have turned her wheels. Oh, actually good. Oh, look at that flex. Go for it, brother. Nice. All right, park on this rock so I could get you in the film. Right here. Right in front of me on the side. All right, guys. That's it for tonight. Hope you enjoyed this night crawl. It's fun as anything coming at night. And these bike lights, they work really well. Like I said, I'll link them in the video description so you could see them. I think the one on the front, that one is like 10 bucks. And that one I think is like 17 because it comes with an extra one that's red for your bike, but you only use the front. It has 3 light modes. It's super bright. It's only on medium right now. It's good. You could stick tape them on any rig real quick. Whew, we're beat. It's cold. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Appreciate all you shenanigans watching my videos, my subscribers, and the comments. And we'll see you next time. Shen RC out.